it's Lori here. I'm going to quickly show you how to use the Silken Tighten device to tighten, smooth, and reshape your skin, your face. First of all, you apply the hyaluronic gel that comes with the Tighten on the area of your face that you're going to be working on. So I've applied it here and here. Then you plug in the device, and it has 5 energy levels, and you press the level of heat that you want on your face. So I have it at 3, and then you rotate the device on the area of your face that you want to work on. You do this for 10 minutes, and then you work on the other side for 10 minutes. Then you're done, easy peasy. You can then the next day you can work on your chin or your forehead. You do this twice a week for 10 weeks, and you should notice some amazing results. You can buy the Tighten at Shoppers Drug Mart. Bye for now.